maximum students using campus orientation game applications. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable campus adventure that's redefining the way students explore the academic home. In the heart of Surabaya, the prestigious Muhammadiyah University, something extraordinary was about to unfold. 2,243 new students, filled with excitement and anticipation, ready to embark on a journey like no other. They weren't just stepping onto the campus, they were diving into a virtual world filled with thrilling online games. It was more than just an orientation, it was an exhilarating adventure as they explored every nook and cranny of the campus. All thanks to the ingenuity of the Muhammadiyah University of Surabaya, this record breaking campus orientation has found its place in the prestigious Asia Book of Records. Let's celebrate the spirit of innovation and boundless potential of students on their academic journey. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.